Have you ever found some YouTube channel for learning English but you can't get, and you tried and tried and tried but you never get this kind of English channel who are providing very important phrase, idioms, sentence or words that could be help you when you are practicing your English, when you are implementing their process in your learning way, but you can't get this kind of channel. No problem. In this video, I will solve this problem and I would share some important tricks that actually help you to learn English easily and fun way. But the ending of my video, I will provide you a very important channel for learning English. No worry about that. I'm always here to help you. My name is Tonmoy, and you know that in every single day, I always try to make video improving English, personal development and financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you will get immense outcome in your learning way. But after watching my video in every single day, in every single videos, I always say that please try to implement after watching my video. Without watching my video, without implementing this kind of strategies, you can't get this kind of desire, this kind of indomitable dream, what you actually want, where you want to go in your life. Well, now move on our main chapter. For learning English, you have to choose a right channel, like how they speak English, how they create more sentence, how they write some analogy, they say some idioms or phrase. It's very important to choose. Now I will give you a very important channel, and this name is the Diary of CEO. The Diary of CEO. And you can say that why you choose the Diary of CEO. This is not including learning English channel. Yeah, that's cool stuff. This is a pretty cool thing. This is not a learning English channel. But for my opinion, why I choose this channel is because is that as a student in 2025, right now our world is digitalized. And AI is already getting worse day by day. And you also get some fear that, oh man, if AI is replace my job, then how I will survive? How I will strive with someone? That's a pretty cool thing. That's the question was for everyone in 2025 also, right? I pretty much think like this channel is because is that in every single day they are providing some important knowledge. As a beginner, I go in ChatGPT and then I ask ChatGPT that, oh man, please give some important YouTube channel. Here I will get some of the information, and also I will learn improving English. I will learn speak English, how to speak English, and they provide me this channel. And from that, I follow this channel. For that, in every single day, I get lots of inspiration. I get lots of information to get into any company, to get into any situation, to start any journey. When also I feel stuck, I just find some formula, some criteria, and they are also something getting this kind of phrase, this kind of formula, this kind of drift. They are always giving their channel, and I pick up very easily. For that, I love this channel, and I would like to say to you that if you are a student, if you are job seeker, if you are a householder, and if you are enthusiastic to learn English, then you must follow the Diary of CEO. There has also a book. If you want, then please comment down below. I want to give you this book for improving your life, for improving your English. Also, I have finished this book already because you know that I also am enthusiastic to read any book and improving my English. But the ending of my video, again, I say to you that learning English is easy, but stick to consistently with your passion. It's very different. It's very dangerous. Why I say it's very dangerous? Because most of the person always focus in short term. They are not focused in long term. Like, also you get some of the video like prelude video, like temptation video in YouTube, like that. Yeah, you can improve your English like 21 days, like 22 days. Yeah, you can do that. But this is not a question. English is a language. It's not a subject. And you have to improve it gradually, fundamentally, step by step. Even if you watch my video beforehand, any video, then you say that in every single videos I always try to speak too much. It's because is that I can improve my English, I can improve my communicate, I can improve my presentation skills. English always help me to show something, to display something in front of someone. That's the pretty cool thing. And even if you make mistake, and also you know that in every single day I also make mistake in my sentence. Well, I hope you understand and you enjoy watching my video in every single days. And which kind of video, what type of video, what type of, I think, video you want to watch, let me know in my comment section. I will try to solve this problem and I will try to improve or make this video in every single day. Generally, I also beginner learning English. So if I make any mistake to create sentence to give some informative knowledge in this video, then please forgive me, and I am also same to you that. So follow the diary of CEO, and in every single day you get some unique information to convert your life, to turn out some another situation, to come up new innovation, new thing, and stay focused, be motivated, and try start something new. Love you everyone. That's all from me, and my name is Tonmoy.